The Arctic, vast, unforgiving, a land where the sun barely rises in the winter, casting a perpetual twilight over the frozen expanse. Here the cold is not just a temperature but a presence, a force that shapes the very essence of life, a place of stark beauty and relentless challenge. The landscape is both breathtaking and intimidating with its towering icebergs and endless stretches of snow. It is a realm where only the strongest and most adaptable can thrive. To venture here alone is to face the raw power of nature, to test the limits of human resilience. Every step is a battle against the elements, every breath a reminder of the thin line between survival and surrender. It is a call to adventure, a journey into the heart of the unknown. The Arctic beckons those with a spirit of exploration, those who seek to push beyond the boundaries of the familiar and embrace the wild. The air is frigid, biting with an icy breath that chills to the bone. Each inhalation feels like 1,000 needles, a stark reminder of the unforgiving environment. The ground is a frozen expanse covered in a thick blanket of snow that stretches as far as the eye can see. It is a desolate beauty, a white canvas that holds both danger and allure. The silence is deafening, broken only by the howl of the wind and the crunch of snow underfoot. It is a silence that speaks volumes, a quiet that demands introspection and respect. This is a land where survival is paramount, where every decision can mean the difference between life and death. Building a shelter, lighting a fire, these are not just tasks but lifelines in the Arctic wilderness. It is a place that demands respect, preparation, and an unyielding will to survive. Every piece of gear, every plan must be meticulously thought out, for the Arctic leaves no room for error. But for those who dare to answer its call, the Arctic offers a profound sense of solitude, a chance to connect with nature on a primal level. It is a place where one can find clarity, where the distractions of the modern world fall away, leaving only the raw, unfiltered essence of existence. Survival in the Arctic begins with shelter. The harsh environment demands quick thinking and resourcefulness. Without a proper shelter, exposure to the elements can be fatal within hours. The biting wind and plummeting temperatures can sap body heat with alarming speed, making a reliable shelter essential. The Arctic wind is relentless, cutting through layers of clothing and chilling the body to its core. In this frozen desert, the material of choice is often the very element that dominates the landscape: snow. Snow, despite its cold nature, can be an excellent insulator when used correctly. A snow trench, dug into a drift and covered with blocks of packed snow, can provide surprisingly effective insulation. The walls of the trench block the wind, while the packed snow traps heat inside. The key is to create a space just large enough to accommodate the body, minimizing air circulation and maximizing heat retention. This compact design ensures that the body's warmth is conserved, creating a microclimate within the shelter. A layer of spruce boughs on the floor adds further insulation, creating a barrier between the icy ground and the body's warmth. These boughs not only provide insulation but also add a layer of comfort, making the shelter more livable. With the shelter taking shape, attention turns to another critical element of survival: fire. Fire is essential for warmth, cooking, and even psychological comfort in the desolate Arctic. In this frozen wasteland, fire is more than just a source of warmth. It is a beacon of hope, a symbol of human resilience against the unforgiving elements. The crackling flames provide a sense of security, a reminder that even in the harshest conditions, survival is possible with the right skills and determination. Finding dry tinder in a world encased in ice and snow can be a challenge. The relentless cold and moisture make it difficult to locate materials that will catch fire easily, yet the resourceful survivor knows where to look. Beneath the snow, hidden in the crevices of trees or sheltered under rocks, dry tinder can be found if one is persistent and observant. Birch bark, known for its high resin content, is a prized find, igniting readily even in damp conditions. The resin acts as a natural fire starter, making it invaluable in such harsh environments. Carefully peeling the bark from the tree, one can gather enough to start a fire that will provide much-needed warmth and light. A fire steel, struck against a piece of quartzite, showers sparks onto the tinder nest, coaxing a flame to life. This ancient method of fire starting is reliable and effective, even in the most challenging conditions. The sparks generated are hot enough to ignite the tinder, creating a small but vital flame that can be nurtured into a roaring fire. The flickering flames bring not only warmth but also the means to create tools essential for survival. The fire becomes a central hub, a place where one can cook food, boil water, and find comfort in the otherwise unforgiving landscape. It is a beacon of hope and a symbol of human ingenuity. Blacksmithing, an ancient craft, takes on a new urgency in the Arctic. The ability to shape and mold metal into useful tools can mean the difference between life and death. With the fire providing the necessary heat, metal can be hammered and forged into items that are crucial for daily survival. Using the intense heat of the fire, scavenged metal can be transformed into vital tools and equipment. This process requires skill and patience, but the rewards are immense. A well-forged tool can be used for hunting, building shelter, or repairing other essential items. A sturdy knife, forged from a salvaged piece of steel, becomes an indispensable companion, used for everything from processing firewood to preparing food. In the harsh Arctic environment, such a tool is not just a convenience but a necessity, enabling the survivor to perform a wide range of tasks with efficiency and ease. Section 4. The Relentless Arctic Night. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the snow, the Arctic night descends. Temperatures plummet, and the true test of endurance begins. The cold seeps into every fiber of being, a constant reminder of the unforgiving nature of this environment. Inside the snow shelter, huddled beneath layers of furs and hides, the warmth of the fire offers a fragile sanctuary. Sleep comes in fitful bursts, punctuated by the need to stoke the flames and maintain the delicate balance between warmth and survival. The howling wind outside seems to mock any thoughts of comfort, a constant reminder of the relentless power of the Arctic night. A symphony of silence and stars. Yet amidst the harshness, there is an undeniable beauty. The night sky explodes with a million stars, a breathtaking tapestry of light unpolluted by city lights. The northern lights dance across the heavens, ethereal ribbons of green and purple illuminating the snow-covered landscape with an otherworldly glow. The silence, once deafening, becomes almost serene. It is a silence that allows for introspection, for a deep connection with the natural world. In the absence of distractions, the mind wanders, reflecting on the resilience of the human spirit, the power of nature, and the delicate balance between the two. The triumph of will and skill. As the first hint of dawn paints the eastern sky, a surge of gratitude washes over. Another night has been survived. The challenges remain, but so too does the determination to persevere. Each successful fire, each meal procured from the frozen landscape, each night spent enduring the relentless cold brings a sense of accomplishment, a reaffirmation of the human spirit's ability to overcome adversity. The Arctic demands respect, but it also rewards those who dare to venture into its icy embrace. It is a place of profound beauty and unparalleled challenge, a crucible where the human spirit is tested and forged anew. The Call of the Wild. 2 days in the Arctic. A mere blink in the grand scheme of things, yet an eternity when measured against the relentless forces of nature. It is a journey that leaves an indelible mark, a testament to the power of human resilience and the enduring allure of the wild. The Arctic, once a distant and unforgiving realm, now holds a strange familiarity, a sense of respect earned through shared experience. The call of the wild, once a whisper, now resonates deep within, a constant reminder of the adventures that await those who dare to answer.